Hello everyone. The reason of recording this video is just to make you understand the essentials of prompt engineering because I've observed it's one of the most underrated fields, especially here in our region. The prompt engineering itself is a complete structured way of giving prompts. But I have seen people go like we like the normal prompt also serves our purpose. So why to spend time learning how to prompt while we are already being served our purpose? Now be honest with me. Haven't you asked ChatGPT or such chatbots multiple times to refine its answer? I have done so and multiple times. So it's where the prompt engineer comes into action. Now sometimes we get bored asking ChatGPT or such chatbots to refine its answer multiple times when it's not giving you the answer which you want. So it's where you lack the skill, and that's when the prompt engineer comes into action. It's also the perfect course for the non-tech users because even if you don't know the coding, you would write prompts like a pro without being a tech savvy that much. And the most importantly, it gives you the better results, more accurate, more structured, and exactly what you need. So why don't you spend some of the time learning it while it would save a lot of time while giving a prompt? It would make your tasks productive. If you would have known the prompt engineering, you would have written your prompt in such a way that produces the best possible outcomes. So it gives you the best possible outcomes. It gives you the best possible response. So you don't have to ask multiple times to refine its answer. All you need to do is just give it a prompt and well structured prompt. It would save your time. It would add the productivity in your work, and the most essential thing, it would make you stand out. It's not just a theoretical concept. That's what I have observed. That's what I'm telling you.